Waiakea is a premium water that's really trying to change industry standards and norms in terms of sustainable packaging, sustainable sourcing, sustainable logistics, and we have a specific focus on naturally healthy functionality.
A focus on offering customers eco-friendly premium water set Waiakea apart from its competition, but the company wasn't in the clear just yet. I spoke with plant manager Jerry Clark to learn how Waiakea needed the right systems in place in order to scale into the brand it is today.
We wrote everything down on paper. We were keeping handwritten logs of everything, and then once a week or at the end of the month, we would reconcile all of our production reports.
It was so much extra time that we were spending on accumulating paper information, and it was a waste of time.
It wasn't that people didn't want to buy our water. We actually had to slow ourselves down because we just weren't reliable in our process. You know, every time something went down, we had to scramble to try and figure out, well, what's going on?
We had probably about 50% downtime in a day. We were barely staying afloat.
You're bleeding money at that point.
Bleeding money.
The company needed a change if it wanted to become a competitor in the premium water industry. After weighing their options, the Waiakea team decided on Oracle NetSuite to give all aspects of the company a fresh and, more importantly, efficient update.
So what parts of Waiakea run on NetSuite?
Literally every single aspect of Waiakea is run on NetSuite. So we're talking about our manufacturing from start to finish, the entirety of our logistics and our supply chain after manufacturing, sourcing, also all of our accounting and all of our modeling, our demand planning, all of it runs through NetSuite.
What about NetSuite's advanced manufacturing? What was the purpose of implementing that here at Waiakea?
Say if I have a relatively high rate of caps that aren't getting threaded on properly, and I notice that I'm getting 2% scrap off of that, I can see that today.
Wow.
And I can talk to the maintenance team and they can deal with it tomorrow.
So other than the plant and us being a lot more efficient, what that does in an organization like Waiakea that's growing so fast is that it allows my sales team and my marketing team to have the confidence of going out and doing what they're supposed to do. And we didn't have to worry about not having enough product to get out there.
When I started, it was chaos and it was struggle. Now, we hit our first $1 million month last month.
Congratulations! That's awesome.
We're able to lower our prices from where they used to be, make our product a little bit more affordable, but continue to be profitable, grow. As we grow, our relationship with NetSuite can grow.